Welcome back to Tools and Cars with Chris. Today we're going to be trying out this Mother's Power Plastic for Lights headlight polishing kit. It's for clearing the headlight lenses and taking off oxidation and stuff like that and haziness. So here's my headlight. As you can see, they're a little scratched up and foggy and stuff like that. Looks a lot worse in person than it does on camera, but we're going to be trying to fix that with this polish. I've already done it to this light over here, and it looks like it came out pretty well. And I just did it by hand. I didn't use a tool or anything, a drill, no power tools, all by hand. You just put some of this polish on a terry cloth, a rag. I use this applicator pad. You put a bunch of liquid on here, and then all you do is you polish that in there real good. Use a little bit of pressure to it, and the instructions say to use circular motions, but you just polish out all this plastic, and then once you're done polishing it, you get a clean rag and you buff it all off, just like you would if you were waxing your car or polishing anything. So we're gonna finish polishing this out, and then I'll show you what the results look like. Oh, and make sure you shake up your bottle real good. Mine's been sitting in my garage and it's kind of old, and you saw how a second ago it was squirting out liquid. It should come out thick and like this. See how that's like thick now, kind of like shampoo or any other polish. It should be real thick. It shouldn't be liquidy like it was in my first little clip that you saw a second ago. So keep that in mind. Alright, so here's the finished product. I think it looks pretty good. Probably look a lot better if I had a tool to use it with, but as you can see in the light, there's still a bunch of scratches and stuff on there. I need to get some sandpaper and some UV protectant clear coat made for headlights and actually clean them up. But this is a good temporary fix.